1.2 billion potential consumers and a double-digit fast-growing middle class, Africa's retail market should be thriving, right? While there are many success stories, this is not necessarily the case all the time. In East Africa, about 67% of Africa's retail space is informal in open markets, street vendors, and tabletop merchants. Earlier on, I spoke to Sailesh Savani, the founder and CEO of CompuLynx, a company that specializes in retail of technology solutions. I asked him why Africa's retail is failing.
We're going through an evolution process, okay? So if you look at the retail industry in Kenya, and if you are comparing it with the retail industry in the developed world, right? We are right now going through a maturity curve, okay? And compared to the rest of the world, where modern retail has been in existence for a much longer time, they have matured into the current state over so many years, you know, and our modern retail is not older than 25 years, you know. We cannot say that retailers are failing. Yes, there is failure. I mean, I can't be in denial. And the reasons for that, we don't probably have the right expertise here, right? That is one. Two is, yes, overexpansion and using the working capital for capital expenditure, which then strains your ability to run your business on a daily basis.
What are the main challenges, in your opinion, that Africa's retail space is facing right now?
Access to money. If we were to talk about Kenya, for example, right? When the government does not spend, right, there isn't enough money circulating in the economy. And when there is money circulating in the economy, retailers will thrive because the consumer who has disposable income will run to retail to spend that disposable income, right?
How can youth take advantage of this retail space and get ahead of some of those challenges that you've mentioned?
Retailers need to pay a lot of attention to detail in their businesses and create that seamless experience in their stores as well as in their online presence, so that it becomes an omni-channel experience for the consumer, and that is what the consumer is expecting today. So the biggest opportunity that we're sitting on as East Africa is we're actually on the cliff of e-commerce. Okay, so we're just going to boom. You know, it's going to just explode because everybody is now looking at e-commerce more seriously. I see that in the next 18 to 24 months, there's going to be a humongous amount of investment that the brick and mortar retailers are going to make in their e-commerce strategy and e-commerce rollout. And it's already started.